Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Cash App transfer field problem in your device. If you have facing this problem, so you have need watch this video and solve your problems 100%. So watch this video. Firstly, go back home screen and enter into the Play Store or App Store application. So just tap on search bar and search it Cash App. Cash App. So you see guys, search it Cash App and check it your Cash App is update or not update. If your Cash App application is not updated, firstly update your Cash App application and your problem 100% solved. If you have still facing this problem, so go back on your Cash App and check it your balance. Check out your balance and again back and enter into the mobile settings. If you have using iPhone, so just enter into the iPhone storage and click on Cash App and offload your Cash App application. If you have using iPhone, so just enter into the app management or app application, tap on app list and search it Cash App. Here you see Cash App. Enter into the Cash App and click on storage usage, tap on clear data. Back and click on data detail and enable the background data. After that, check it your internet connection. If your internet connection is not properly work, so just connect your Wi-Fi device. After the connect your Wi-Fi device has, here you see again enter into the Cash App and click on permissions and allow the all permission, camera, contacts, location, back food storage and etc. And check it your problem has been 100% solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.